Hi, this is Ru from Asia. Today we arrive at Kxind. Kxind is one of the leading company in the fiber optical communication industry in China. Their main products include GPON OLT ONT, fiber optical cable, fiber optical distribution box, fiber optical closure, PLC splitter, patchcords, and fast connector. Here is our optical cable production workshop. We have 6 optical cable production lines and a test workshop. We also have jumper and sheet metal processing workshops in Hunan. Kxind has established a professional and independent quality control department. From design to shipment, each product undergoes a series of reliability tests and verifications such as insertion loss and return loss testing, and phase detector tensile testing equipment to ensure product quality. No matter your projects require small batch customization or mass production, we will offer you services with our professional knowledge and high-quality products. Our products are mostly exported to America, Middle East, Europe, and Southeast Asia. We are serving a number of well-known telecom companies in Russia, Italy, Spain, Malaysia, including the world's top 20 telecom operators.
We are the source factory and we can provide the highest quality and the most competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.